Good morning. How are you today? My name is Amir. I'm Vice President of Business Development at BigML. And with me is Dario, VP of Predictive FinTech. BigML enables your company to solve predictive problems on the same level with Google or Facebook, companies with top talent pools and top dollars. Today, we will show you how BigML has turned machine learning into a beautiful, simple, and powerful industrial tool that allows you to build fully automated predictive apps. You could massively reduce your costs and increase revenues and customer satisfaction simply by substituting the static business rules within your company with machine learning-powered dynamic predictive models. If you think that you've been doing state-of-the-art predictive analytics, I would like to ask you a few questions. How many predictive models have you put in production recently? How many of them are running on a regular basis and have been generated automatically? Are you generating a predictive model for each of your customers and each of your products daily? They tell you it's not possible. Sure it is. BigML industrialized machine learning and enables you to do all of that with ease. So let's see how it works. Let's say the screen of my smartphone is broken. Luckily, I have an accidental damage from handling insurance. Let's contact my insurance. Dario, how does it look like with my claim?
Hi, Amir. I find it quite funny that every time a new model of iPhone comes out, insurances see a big rise of broken smartphone claims. I wonder if Amir is just one of those casual opportunists.
Guys.
In order to decide that, I'm going to go to my BigML and open the accidental damage fraud predictive model. This beautiful representation of the tree is not a standard decision tree. It has been adapted by BigML to work in streaming fashion so that it can deal with huge data sets and be extremely performant. If you click on the model summary report, it will be immediately clear which factors are most important in determining the likelihood of a fraud. If you then go down the branches, you will see the inputs that the model is taking into consideration in order to make certain decisions. The logic is explained on the right-hand side and allows for non-data experts to understand it. I may also want to have a better understanding of the segmentations of the frauds. And in fact, BigML has automatically created 4 clusters. The biggest one representing mainly fair claims, and the smaller one representing different profiles of fraudsters. Now that I have confidence in the model, I can go to the Prediction tab and decide if it is worth to open an investigation on Amir claim. After entering a few inputs provided by Amir, the model decides that his claim looks fair and no investigation will be opened, saving valuable time and resources both on the insurance and the customer side.
I appreciate it, Dario. But let's go a step back and show our audience how easy it is to create a model in BigML by doing it from scratch. Since we are in Barcelona, and few of us have used Airbnb to book an apartment, we will import raw data from Airbnb website and create a model to better understand which factors influence the price of Airbnb accommodations in Barcelona. So first, let's get the Airbnb public data from their website. Dario is copying the link to the data file. Specifying a URL is one of the easy ways to import data to BigML. As you can see, all the columns, the platform has automatically classified all the columns into numerical, categorical, and text fields. With one click, BigML will automatically process data in machine learning readable format. You don't want to know how much time would it take your data scientist to come this far. Now, what you see is a data set. BigML will display the histograms and statistics of all columns in your data set. What we see now is a data set of the Airbnb Barcelona. And Dario will now do 30 seconds data transformation to replace the column price with a newly calculated column median price. All Airbnb instances will be split into two classes: below medium, or cheap accommodations, and above medium, or expensive ones. Now we have a new data set and also a newly created column median price. And now we're good to go to train our model and see what patterns can it identify. One click, and this time we will show you something very special for BigML, our Sunburst Visualization. BigML offers Sunburst view option to visualize complete decision tree with all its branches. Now that we have a model, we can click into the Sunburst and see which pattern we can identify. Now the model will find out that the most important price predictor is the type of the accommodation, which is not very surprising. The entire apartments are more expensive than a single room, but there are much more hidden insights and patterns that BigML will discover. Things like number of the reviews, neighborhood, or even words that you use in the description of your accommodation that can influence the price. But let's say this model is fine and we like it. Even the best model is useless if you don't put it in production. So let's export the model. One click in the upper right corner, then few clicks to select the programming language in which we want to export the model. And there you see the lines of code that you could use to integrate the model in your existing applications, making them smart. Now just imagine, if we turned Airbnb public data within 3 minutes in business-relevant insights, what could you achieve with BigML and your data in your company? By the way, all that we demoed today in our web interface, you could also do through our standard-based API and automate end-to-end. So let's recap. BigML has created machine learning platform of the 21st century. Now, your practitioners and developers can create more value from data. You can explore your data in the web interface tool, or you could automate entire machine learning workflows end-to-end. You can use BigML in the cloud, or you can do it. You can use it on-premise behind your firewall. Visit us at our booth and find out how you can start using machine learning platform of the 21st century today. Thank you very much.